You know the job market is broken when even Goodwill's CEO is worried about unemployment. Goodwill, the place where your grandma's wig collection gets a second chance at life. Meanwhile, every entry-level job wants 5 years of experience with software that came out last Tuesday.
I sell 5 years experience badges, cash or crypto. LinkedIn reference is extra, but you owe me. When I call, you answer.
AI isn't nibbling at jobs. It's maintaining eye contact while taking all the bacon, directing you to the salad bar, and suggesting you try the kale. The World Economic Forum says 83 million jobs vanish by 2027. 69 million new ones appear. That's a 14 million job gap. So what's vanishing? Cashiers, data entry, customer service. All the jobs where you have to fake smile for minimum wage. But also white-collar jobs. IBM cut 8,000 workers. Google, Microsoft, Meta, they're all replacing junior analysts with AI. These weren't factory workers. These were people who had LinkedIn Premium and opinions about oat milk. Right, Uncle Pookie?
Oat milk. When did we start milking oats? What's next, potato juice?
That first job answering emails, AI learns it during lunch. Speaking of qualifications, are you hiring anybody?
We're pivoting to a human capital light synergy model with AI-driven excellence optimization.
So, no?
What did entry-level jobs really teach? Pretending to look busy when your boss walks by. How to say interesting idea when you know your coworker's talking complete nonsense. How to survive Karen from HR's passive-aggressive emails about microwave etiquette. It was where you discovered reply all is a weapon of mass destruction. Now AI does the work while you supervise it like a helicopter parent at a playground. Sarge, did I do a good job yesterday?
Negative! The AI ordered 50,000 rubber ducks instead of duct tape. Drop and give me 50!
Here's what's next. Every job becomes 2 jobs. Doing the work and managing the AI that's doing the work. Entry level used to be doing the boring stuff until you learned enough to make decisions. Now it's making sure AI doesn't accidentally order 10,000 staplers when you only needed 10. Or worse, make sure it doesn't write, "I quit, you bald-headed walrus," when you just asked it to draft a gentle performance review. What skills are actually irreplaceable?
My teacher said my best skill is asking why, until the grown-ups get tired.
Little Timmy gets it. AI delivers answers faster than your ex responds to your "can we talk" texts. But it's terrible at asking, wait, does this make sense? The new entry-level superpower? Being the human who catches AI's confident mistakes. Right, Sarge?
Affirmative! Engage the enemy! Establish a new chain of command! Move! Move! Move!
Instead of start at the bottom, it'd start where robots still need supervision. Do you think rural America can handle this?
As long as my truck starts without an app.
If you see where human value still counts, you're not out of work. You're ahead of the curve. Here's your survival strategy. Get on ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and whatever AI gets invented while you're watching this video. Use them for everything. Learn which one is best for web search, which one is best at writing code, and which one makes the least terrifying AI cat videos. While your boss is still Googling, what is AI? You'll already know that ChatGPT writes emails that sound more human than you do. And Claude can write creative stories that make you question your entire existence. That knowledge, that is your entry-level job now.
Automatic Addison.